Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the SUNLU filament dryer. I got this item recently to help me figure out what is going on with my 3D printer clogs and to be able to dry my filament and help get better prints. This filament dryer has personalized temperature settings that we can adjust depending on the different types of 3D filament that we need to dehydrate. For my PLA filament, I'm putting it at 50 degrees Celsius. And there is also a time setting that we can put in from 0 to 24 hours. The default setting is 6 hours, but we can adjust it depending on our needs. This dryer also has a 2-inch large screen LCD monitor that can display the temperature and time as it dehydrates our filament. Plus, it works for a lot of varieties of different types of filament brands, making it a great option to have for filaments with diameters of 1.75 millimeters, 2.85, or 3 millimeters. If you are looking for a way to remove the absorbed moisture in your filament to resolve some printing issues, this is definitely worth looking into.